Hello everyone, hope you is well. So today's video I'll share how to fix enhanced conversation issue detected. So basically this is a problem with Google Ads conversation tracking. Right now I can see this conversation tracking passage conversion. Then going to this needs attention. Okay, needs attention. Then enhanced conversion issue for detected. Okay, so how to fix this issue? Okay, how to fix this? Already I see this active and thank you page active inactive, no problem. This is a one up to 1 hour this active as soon as possible. And then I'm going to this issue fix. Okay, so first of all you going to this settings and so measurement, going to this conversion. Okay, then going to conversion this page and going to this right now setting. Okay, settings option, going to settings. Then you can find this problem. So I can see this enhanced conversion for leads. Okay, so this is the main problem. So maximum time is a customer and data terms. You can check in this accepted or don't accept it. So you can anything this don't accept it, just accept it. Okay, this policies additional terms and conditional data. Then I hope this is fix your problem. Or others you can going to this enhanced conversation for leads managed for through Google Ad Tag Manager. This is I'm going to this option. So you can see, maybe you don't set up this option. You can going to this maybe this Google Tag and Google. You can go in Google Tag Manager, turn on enhance. This is you undetected unchecking. Right. Sorry. Okay, then you have uncheck just checkbox, just confirm tag checkbox, turn on enhance conversion for leads and choose the method setting up this measurement use the data provide. Okay, so you can go into this Google tag and go choose the Google tag manager. Okay, right, just one no need that's one. Going to configure directory manager, collect the data provider, enhance conversion. You were already, I hope you complete your tag. I hope already completed this tag and others one. Okay, so any kind of this Google link are not tag, then you can again changing, no problem. So I hope you understand this option. So going to this again Google Tag Manager account. I'm going to the Google Tag Manager. Sorry, I'm going to this Google Ads settings, Google Ads setting, then save. Right now save. Okay, so I'm already completed this option. So thank you for choosing video. You can just customer data terms and enhance conversation on conversion and for leads. Two option you can enhance conversion. You can again going to this option. This is turn on and version code king Google track and everything. Okay, Google track. You can going to this Google Ads API Google Tag Manager. Okay, Google Tag Manager. Then your son. Then you can save. Just two option. I am going to manage Google Track Manager according enhanced conversation. All are everything is okay. You can just wait for up to 1 to 2 hour. You can change effective your Google Ads account and going to this Google Ads attention is an active person. Okay, so I hope help your this video. You can need anything problem. So contact me everything. Thank you everyone.